Okay, so today we'll be changing a tube on this scooter.
And it is the OKAI.
The side tire size is written on the tube.
Alright, let's start.
Take these covers off. The side tape you gotta put back after. It will reveal a 2mm Allen key. Here's an 18mm wrench.
So what are you doing now?
So now you gotta remove the valve from the rim. This is pliers. Get this guy through. You get it through, and you can get it from this side. So now you got the valve out. Just have to lift the tire up a little bit. Now what you want to do is fill this with air just to see where it's leaking from. Pinch flat. So the reason for doing this is you can dictate where it's getting the flat from in case it's a nail. So you know where the tire was punctured. But because this is showing it's a pinch flat.
So what usually causes pinch flats?
It's low tire pressure.
Right.
So you can see it.
So guys, always make sure your tires are inflated and check at least once a week.
So that's what's called a pinch flat.
Yeah. See the bubbles coming out? That's air coming out of the inner tube. And we're inspecting the inside of the tire to see if there's any
structural damage to these nylon on the tire.
Right.
So sometimes if you run it flat and you keep riding it, it will damage the inside of the tire.
So how does this tire look now?
You can tell he's been running on it flat because you see all the rubber coming out. If there's too much deterioration of the rubber, you're gonna have to replace the tire. This one looks like it's not too bad, so you're gonna just replace the tube. Just soap.
So why are we putting soapy water on the inner tube?
So this is basically to let the tire tube sit in the tire properly without too much, just try to avoid pinching the tire while installation. And it won't get pinched or anything like that. Plus if there's any debris or anything, you can feel it with your hands, make sure it's smooth. And now we're ready for the installation. So we always start with putting in the valve first.
Stem, right?
So once you locate the hole, put the valve stem in first.
Oh, I see the valve is coming out this side.
So once you have it here, what you can do is, what I usually do is use a valve extender to keep it in place so it doesn't move around. Which is one of these guys.
Yep. So this is like a nice handle for the valve stem, right?
Right. So what you want to do once you install it, then you want to inspect the tube to make sure it's not twisted or anything. So now what you can do is spray some more soup. You might find it easier if you put it on the floor, that way you can use your knee as an extra support for it. Be careful not to damage the tube.
Awesome. So now the tube is in.
The tube is in.
Let's put the wheel back onto the scooter.
Yes. The wire always comes out same side as it's coming out from the frame. So this wire is straight. That's in.
The last step is just to put back the cover that we took off at the start. We're all done, and we just need to pump it to make sure it holds air. For this tire, we're gonna pump it to 50, which is at 50 right now. And taking off the valve extender. Great, now we are all done. Oh, one last step, put the cap on. Now we're done.